Thank you very much for that kind introduction. You may take your seats, please. Thank you. Our Dynamic Division Education Program Specialist in ALS, Mrs. Maria Perga A. Cagente. Our Energetic School Officer in Charge, Ms. Marlene Smade. Talented teaching staff of Barcelona Central School, barangay officials, parents, graduates, friends, mga silingan, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. When Ma'am Lorna approached me to be this year's guest speaker, at first I was flattered and hesitant. Kay nakapangutan ako, angayan bagod ko Ma'am Lorne? Dili man ka proud ako na-achieve sa kinabuhi. But then I realized that being your speaker today is such an achievement that I must be proud of. Kay dili tanang tao mahatagan og opportunity to be the commencement speaker. I am very proud to say that this is my school. I started the basics of education here. I learned how to read, write the ABCs, and count 1 to 3s here. Time flies. I never realized that I gonna be standing in front of 37 graduates right here, right now. When I was a child, I don't understand the importance of going to school. Mas ma-inspire pa ko ma-eskwela kung naa ako'y piso. Kaysa una, tag-piso lamang gyud among balon para ipalit og tag 25 centavos nga tinuhog nga saging og 25 centavos nga ice candy para sa recess. Usahay, amo pong ipalit og lintoy or binangkal. Kamo be, tagpila man inyong balon kada adlaw. Siguro, kinadak-anan ng G's or 20, diba? I'm sure mo iyak mo if piso lang ang ihatag sa inyo offer balon. Time passed by. I already started to realize how to value education because if I can't go to school, I feel sick. In short, I don't want to be absent from my classes. Akong i-share ninyo ang dili nako malimtan nga experience sa una kung unsa jud mi kalisod. There was one time, among mama nag-andam og pamahaw. Tungod kay wala man misud-an, unsa gihimo sa among mama? Iyang gilingin-lingin ang rice, ang luto ba? Iyang gipurma nga itlog. So kaming upat, kay upat man mi ka managsuon, na surprise. Kay nganong gilingin ang kanon. Sus kay sa tunga sa lamisa, duna may suka nga gibutang nga og asin. Kay itusnob raman di ay ang bula-bula nga pagkaon dito sa asin og suka. So ako dayong Ate Jing, she's a teacher before but now she's in Canada. Nag-iyak. Kay dili siya mukaon, kay dili kuno to real food. Dili tinuod nga pagkaon. Niingon dayon among mama, na, kung dili mo mukaon anak karon, dili gid mo maka-eskwela. So dili man mi gusto mo absent sa among pag-eskwela, so wala mi choice mao. Napugos na lang gid mi og kaon adtong rice bula-bula nga tusnob sa suka og asin. Nga nagtulo pud among luha. Kamo be, kinsa may naka-experience sa among na-experience? Wala siguro diri no? Kay mga bata karon dili naman gid mangaon og walay sud-an, di ba? Sa una gani, basta humay, dili naman sud-anan. Karon, with isda na gyud og karne, di ba? 21 years ago, I was also like you, dear graduates, dressed in white toga with graduation cap. Happy and proud to have finally finished the 6 long years of elementary education in this school. Things have changed, mangyud. We used to study with Lamparilla. Now, we have Seneco. We used to watch TV shows like Flor de Luna in our neighbor's TV. Sa ilan ni Ma'am Chocho Akoy mo. sorry, akopyo. Kay gikan sa una, silingan man gid mi kaayo. And now you have your own television at home. In school, sa mga programs, uso kaayo ang tinikling, no? But now, they prefer to dance the Gangnam Style that even my two little kids love dancing it. Sa una, patpaton among mga mata og tinan-aw sa baga kaay nga encyclopedia kung naa mi assignments. But now, kamo karon mo gamit ra dayon og smart bro to get internet connection and Google everything using laptop or computer. Sumasayon na kaayo. Ilabi na uso na gyud ang Facebook karon, di ba? So, lahi gyud kaayo ang panahon sa una compare sa inyong panahon karon. Kami, puwerte gyud namong antos sa kapobrehon para lang makahuman og eskwela. See, nagbunga ang among dili pag-absent sa school. I was not a consistent honor pupil, but with my determination, I finished my studies. Actually, I was hoping to become a midwife, but my parents can't afford it. Then I realized I love cooking, so I supposed to end up like having a restaurant or somewhat like Valdea Gardens of my own. But then again, I love counting money since naami sari-sari store when I was a kid. So I decided to take up computer science or ug nalampos ra gyud tungod sa akong pagka PESFA scholar and at the same time working student pud ko sa akong antititit. Now, I end up like collecting and keeping government money as disbursing officer in Ilaya National High School. My job is tough kay kapoy kaayo maghawid og kwarta nga dili ato, alright? But I was surrounded with good people and a happy environment. So, I take things easy, not to work too hard, enjoy life, and do things right. That's why I made it a decade in the government service. Buyag, 10 years na ako sa government service. Well, I know you are still confused of what you want to be, but take things easy. With a prayer, nothing is impossible. Imagine me, my sister, and my youngest brother promised not to get married until we graduated our college education. And yes, we fulfilled our promises. There are so many changes happening in a person's lives in a span of 20 years. But if we sum up everything, every day is a new day. New hope, new challenges. And today is your graduation day. It is not the end, but the beginning of your journey. As a graduate, take these challenges in your life in order to build a promising future. My goal of giving you my speech today is to give inspiration, encourage you to study, and achieve a higher level of education. Don't ever think that only the honor students are the intelligent ones. But kamo pod nga dili honors because everyone has their own potentials. If you want something, put your heart into it. Set your goals and strive to attain them. I believe that we make our own future. I am what I am today because of education and hard work. Dear graduates, seeing your faces this morning, I would like to assume that you are all excited to go to high school. Am I right? I really do hope you will all proceed to high school, most especially that our government would implement 12 years from the previous 10 and now it's K to 12. The system would have additional 2 years of education. The transition to the K to 12 education system means you will be supported for more years and will end up as highly educated graduates ready to make a real impact on our country. I hope you take full advantage of this opportunity and work as hard as possible. If you keep on working hard, you can help our country by becoming the next generation of leaders in teaching, medicine, nursing, business, programmers, and many others. By taking one step at a time, you can build a better future with a good income. Barely 3 months from now, you will be embarking another chapter in your life. And I hope you may be able to remember 3 secrets of success which I'm going to share to you graduates. It's Tagalog. Aral, sipag at tiyaga. It is easy to memorize and easy to understand. Parents, I urge you to be supportive and encourage your children to finish their studies. Well, let me take this opportunity to thank my elementary teachers. Some of them passed away and most of them are retired except Ma'am King. She's my Araling Panlipunan subject teacher. Look at her. She looks the same after all those years, eh? Gwapa gihapon si Ma'am King. These teachers molded and nurtured me. I am what I am today because of my amazing grade 1 to 6 teachers. Graduates, thank you for embracing the quality education your teachers have given you. You should be very proud of yourselves for accomplishing this goal. I know you must be very excited to get your diplomas and run to the next level of education. That will be grade 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Finally, let me congratulate and wish you all the best in your future endeavors. And remember, the 3 secrets of success. AST. Aral, sipag at tiyaga. Say it again, graduates. Aral, sipag at tiyaga. Okay, very good. Thank you very much and have a great day, everyone.